Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Sheets dropshipping inventory with AppSheet easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank document option. Label the first row with relevant column headers like item name, SKU, quantity, and price. Input some sample inventory data under each header to make it functional. Once your inventory is ready, go to the top left corner and click on File. Select Share from the drop-down menu to set your sharing options. Ensure the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view the spreadsheet. Copy the link provided, as you will need it for AppSheet. Now go to the AppSheet website and sign in with your Google account. Click on Start for free to begin creating a new app. Select Apps from the dashboard. Click on New App to create your app. Choose from your data as the app creation method. Paste the Google Sheets link you copied earlier into the provided field. Click Add to link your Google Sheets to the AppSheet. After a moment, AppSheet will load your spreadsheet data. Review the automatically generated app interface. Customize the layout and design according to your preferences. Navigate to the Data section in the left sidebar. Ensure that each column from your spreadsheet is correctly identified. Set the item name and SKU fields as unique identifiers for your inventory. Next, go to the UX section to improve the visual aspects of your app. Choose a suitable view type, such as a gallery or deck view. Adjust the settings to highlight important information, like quantity and price. Now, configure the options for adding and editing records in your app. Make sure to test the app by clicking on the Preview option. Try adding a new item to your inventory and ensure it saves correctly. Test any filters or sorting options to ensure they function as intended. Once you're satisfied with your app, click on Not Deployed and follow the prompts to deploy your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.